Today I'm going to show you how to make $20,000 per month with CPA content locking. Now guys, this is a beginner's tutorial. You don't need any skills, experience, money, or even a website to start. So guys, make sure to watch this video till the very end so you don't miss out on any important information. Now, just to show you guys that I actually do this full time, I teach CPA marketing. I do what I teach. I'm going to refresh the page. This is a brand new CPALead account. Come on, click on it. Okay, this is a brand new CPALead account. It's about a month and a half old, and as you can see, let this load. Up to a month today is $1,400. It is right now the 13th of September, so I made over $1,400 this month, and all time over almost $5,000. So guys, I'm going to show you exactly what to do step by step. And also guys, in the previous video I promised you that I would be picking a winner for my CPA marketing course every single upload I do. So here it is guys, comment picker. This is the URL of my video. Include replies, comments, and gray quotes. 1 comment. Let's go. I'm super excited for this giveaway because I have been trying to get your course for weeks now, but no money. I pray that I win. So congratulations, man. Out of the 100 comments that were commented on my video, you are the winner. So make sure to hit me up on Facebook or Instagram, or even email me right here. So guys, if you're feeling lucky and you want a chance to win my CPA marketing free traffic course in my next upload, make sure to comment "Let's go" below this video. Hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, and watch this video till the very end because I see everything in my YouTube back office. So these are the rules. Watch this video till the very end, subscribe, like, and comment "Let's go." I'm gonna be picking the winner in my next video. Okay guys, so let's get started with the tutorial right now. So the $20,000 per month CPA content locking method. Okay guys, so I drew this funnel for you guys to make it very simple. This is the process, the framework we're going to be using to reach $20,000 per month. Okay, so my goal is $20,000 per month. I don't know what your goal might be. Your goal might be $1,000, $2,000, $5,000. I don't know what your goal is, but I'm going to show you exactly what to do step by step. So on the left side here, you can see our traffic sources. So these are the traffic sources we are going to be using to send traffic, website visitors to our content locker. Okay, so we can use TikTok, Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. There's literally several options you can choose from, and ideally you want to choose 1 or 2 traffic sources and then stay consistent over the long term to see the best results. So right now I use TikTok, Pinterest, I also use Instagram, and sometimes I use Facebook. So guys, I try to do everything, alright? I even upload YouTube videos for you guys to document my journey. So my day is packed, okay? Every single hour of the day I'm doing something. So I don't care if you're working at a 9-to-5 job, if you're a student, a stay-at-home mom, you have to find 2 to 3 hours per day for your side hustle. I don't care guys, I don't take excuses. I mean, look at what everything I do. I do TikTok, Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook. I do YouTube. I have my own online course. I do everything. So guys, no excuses. Everything is possible if you want it to happen. So again, we're sending traffic from these traffic sources to our free ebook. I'm going to show you exactly how to get a free ebook. You don't have to create anything. I'm going to show you exactly how to get one for free. We're going to be sending then traffic. If somebody comes to our page and wants our free ebook, they're going to have to fill in a offer. Okay, they're going to have to submit a content locker in order to get their ebook. So they get their ebook and we make a commission. Simple as that. Now once they complete the content locker, we're going to make a conversion. So guys, ideally I have a conversion about $1 to $10 every single time somebody opts in the content locker. So on average it's about $2 per conversion for me at least, and the offers I promote. So to make $20,000, we're gonna have to send 100,000 visitors per month. Okay, out of these 100,000 visitors, 10% convert. Okay, 10% of these people fill in an offer. That's 10,000 people. Multiply that by $2 average conversion, and boom, $20,000. So if your goal is like $20,000 like me, you're gonna have to send about 100,000 visitors every single month to your free ebook landing page. Okay, and let's just change this up a bit. Let's just say you send 10,000 visitors. Okay, if you send 10,000 visitors, this is simple, guys. 10,000 visitors per month is pretty easy. That's 300 people per day. If you combine 4 traffic sources like me, you can easily do 300 visitors per day, and average conversion is $2. Then you're easily making $2,000 per month, just like that. So find a free ebook, content lock that ebook, and then consistently send traffic over and over again. Okay, so if your goal is $2,000, that's a pretty good side income. Okay, putting in 2 to 3 hours per day, this is super achievable. All you have to do is send 10,000 visitors every single month. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that as well. Okay, so first of all, we need a free ebook. Okay, so what you want to do is go to freeplrdownloads.com, and this site is packed with free ebooks you can use yourself. Okay, these are private label rights. You can download them, you can sell them, you can give them away, you can put a content lock on them, whatever you want, you can use them. You can, like I mentioned, you can even sell them. So pick a niche. What are you going to content lock? Are you going to show people how to lose weight, how to make money online, how to get instant web traffic, 5 ways to boost your self-confidence instantly? So once you have a niche, okay, let's just say make money online. Okay, you want to pick an ebook. All right, so just pick this first one just to show you how simple this is. The actual process of building downloading the ebook and putting everything together is super simple. The most difficult part is getting traffic. So download this ebook. Okay, I'm gonna drag it over to my desktop. I'm gonna right click on it. Okay, open with the unarchiver. Okay, extracting, and there we have it. Okay, there it is. Double click on it, and this is our planned PDF. Now, in order for us to give this away, we're gonna go to Google Drive. This is free, everything is free. Click on new, and you can upload the file. So I'm just gonna drag it. Okay, I'm just gonna drag it over. Just drag it over just like that. Now refresh the page. We should have it right there. Okay, open it. Sorry guys, my internet is a bit slow, so I apologize for that. But all you have to do is now click these 3 dots up here, share. Now change to anyone with this link, click on copy link. So this is our ebook URL. We're gonna save this for later. So now what you want to do is go to your CPA network. I use CPALead. This is very, very easy to get signed up to. So go to CPALead.com and create a free account if you don't have one. Now, once you're in the back office in your dashboard right here, all you want to do is click on lockers and click on file and link locker. Okay, click on create. So once you're on this page, you should see a couple of options. Okay, you should see a file locker, a link locker, and ebook locker, a bunch of lockers already pre-made for you. As I mentioned, you don't need a landing page or a domain. This CPALead network will give you everything to work with. So I'm gonna click on ebook locker since we have an ebook that we can give away. Okay, so I'm gonna use this template. Now here, guys, you should see a bunch of text that you can customize yourself, but I'm not gonna do this in this entire video because it will be just way too long. So just make sure to read, guys. Page name, theme color, you can pick a color, brand title, ebook, you can add the ebook image, just download it from here, download this image, upload it. Okay, so ebook description, you can copy this exact description and add it inside here. So the button text, blah blah blah, everything is just clear on this website. Now what you want to do is this is very important. So once you have everything on this page filled out, okay, the locked file URL is the one we copied from our Google Drive. Okay, so all you have to do now is copy it inside there. You can add the locker title on lock, waiting completion, okay, whatever, SEO, save and preview. This is what our landing page will look like. Now I told you guys that just edit everything. You can just, let me show you guys. To make it quicker, you can simply, the best landing page for this ebook, learn how to make money online. And now you can then preview what you just changed. Okay, so save and preview. Learn how to make money online. There we go. So it's very, very simple. Just make sure to play around with this template. Just make sure to play around with the text, the ebook cover. Up here you have a little menu. You can, all of this you can edit inside these texts. Once somebody comes to our landing page, you're going to click on download ebook, and then the content locker will appear right here and the offers will appear. Now it doesn't matter where your traffic comes from, United States, India, United Kingdom. This is why it's so great, guys, because every time somebody comes to this website regarding their location, CPALead will show them offers in their location. Okay, so you don't have to send traffic just from the US or just from India. You can send traffic from all around the world and CPALead will take care of the rest. Okay, so that's why it's so perfect. Now once you have this, you can just save it. Okay, and now you're gonna click on finish, get links. Okay, this is our link that we're gonna share on social media. So we're gonna leave this open, okay, and click on copy. Now I'm gonna show you a couple of ways you can send a bunch of traffic to this offer. So we have our link. Okay, this is the link. This is the link to our landing page. When somebody comes to our landing page and clicks on download ebook, the content locker will appear, and it doesn't matter where your visitors are from. As I said again, USA, India, blah blah blah, Europe, doesn't matter. If somebody enters, submits a offer, we're gonna make a commission. $1, $2, $3, $5, $10, sometimes even $20. We don't know because that's the choice of the visitor. And now all we have to do is send traffic to our landing page to this link. So there's a couple of ways you can do this, and it's called content marketing. Let me show you my TikTok. I've generated well over a couple $1,000s just with my TikTok account, and I have only 5,000 followers. Okay, so you can make short videos like this, just like I am doing. You don't even need to show your face, guys, but just to show you, you can you can download YouTube videos, you can cut them up, and you can then separately upload them to TikTok. You can add 5 images together, add text on the screen, sound, everything, and then a call to action. And this is where you would add your link. Okay, so this is my domain, but this link, you would take this link, copy it, okay, and paste it inside there. So TikTok is very, very powerful. As I mentioned, I made well over $5,000 with just this account, and I'm promoting a high ticket offer. I have a video on this channel that shows you how I do that. So if you want to check it out, watch TikTok affiliate marketing tutorial. Now, another way you can send traffic is through Instagram. You can start an Instagram account, start posting images consistently, messaging people, and so on and so forth. Then Pinterest. Watch my previous video if you want to see how to make a Pinterest account, everything from A to Z. Then you can use Facebook, Facebook groups. You can use your profile, or you can use YouTube, just like I am doing. You can download copyright-free videos, re-upload them, and add your little link below the video. Now, guys, I'm not going to be showing you exactly how to do this step by step. This is just to show you a few examples, ideas about the traffic sources that you can leverage. So, guys, if you want to learn everything about CPA marketing from A to Z, including how to promote the actual offers, then check out my CPA Marketing Mastery course. It's the first link below this video. You can read on my sales page everything what's included. So landing pages, website traffic and marketing, I have an entire module on content locking, offer selection. Then I have Instagram marketing, how to promote the actual offers, Facebook marketing, TikTok marketing, Craigslist. I have Instagram influencers, and I'm also adding Pinterest. So this course is packed with value. There's over 40 videos inside the course, and it's only $37. Super, super affordable. And if you want to invest in yourself, you want to learn something new that would potentially change your life. Imagine that you spent $37 on a course and quit your job, 1 month, 2 months later. So make sure to check it out. Just read through the page, okay? At least do that. You can look at these guys, look at the testimonials. People are seeing results. I'm getting messages every single day from people that are getting their first sale online, the first ever sale online. You can see my screenshots, okay? And I also added 3 bonuses. So Bing ads, this is paid traffic, Instagram marketing, another bonus. So this is a quick ebook. And I also added a paid traffic course, a paid CPA marketing traffic course for my friend John O. Armstrong. So guys, this course is packed with value for just $37. So guys, make sure to check it out. First link below this video. And guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, comment, let's go, to get a chance to win my CPA marketing course in my next video. Like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.